Kiwi Newton is a Canadian construction company founded in 1994 that has built a reputation for delivering innovative, high-quality building solutions. Originally focused on traditional construction as a general contractor, Kiwi Newton has expanded its capabilities by incorporating modular and prefabricated methods into its operations as part of a vertical integration strategy. By integrating design, engineering, and manufacturing, we offer a streamlined approach that reduces costs, shortens timelines, and enhances sustainability. Our in-house production facilities for steel fabrication and precast concrete allow us to maintain full control over quality and supply chains. Since 1994, we have completed over 1.5 million square feet of residential, 2.9 million square feet of parking structures, 30 megawatts of solar installations, over 5.1 million square feet of industrial, 1.5 million square feet of commercial, and over 1 million of institutional. Through this long history of project experience, Kiwi Newton has become more than just a general contractor. Kiwi has evolved into these 6 main areas: design build, general contracting, Kiwi Modular Solutions, net zero buildings, automation and prefabrication, design and construction services. The Kiwi Newton vision is to be a single source solution for planning, design, fabrication, construction, and maintenance for buildings. As a vertically integrated design builder, we will design the building, manufacture the modular components, construct the building, and maintain the building. We are also able to assist in the planning and feasibility stages. Our mission is to provide high quality, affordable, and sustainable construction at scale. But why? Why is this the mission that Kiwi Newton has decided to pursue? Well, first, housing affordability. This doesn't need much explanation. It's no secret that we have a need for affordable housing options. Construction productivity. Since the 1960s, every other sector has seen productivity increases except for construction, which has actually seen productivity decreases. Poor construction quality means that every year we are taking a part of our finite construction capacity in Ontario and allocating it to replace deteriorating buildings instead of adding new square footage. We need new buildings in addition to the ones that we already have. Energy efficiency. We are at a tipping point. We have a continent full of buildings that overproduce greenhouse gases and burden the electrical grid because they are not energy efficient and use outdated energy sources. Not to mention that buildings play a major role in the global impact on the environment. Currently, the construction industry consumes a significant amount of natural resources and generates a massive amount of waste. Our construction methods reduce waste, reduce harmful building practices, and consider materials that can be recycled. And so that is the why. But how? How are we providing high quality, affordable, and sustainable construction at scale? Our strategy builds on these 3 principles. First, think like an automotive company. We have an in-house team for planning, design, engineering, manufacturing, and construction. We make sure that the design of the buildings works optimally for the manufacturing of the components and assembly of those components on site. The automotive industry calls this design for manufacturing and assembly. Leverage process standardization with design flexibility. We know that the more we can standardize our processes, the more efficient we can become, and the more affordable and high quality the end result can be. And once you standardize the process, you can design automation around it. So we have invested in the equipment to increase our productivity for manufacturing modular components, for shipping the components to the site, for erecting and installing these components, and for finishing the buildings to get them ready for occupancy. And with this strategy, we are able to produce buildings that are high quality yet affordable, while also being extremely energy efficient. This places Kiwi Newton at the forefront of sustainable construction, providing advanced solutions for net zero and passive house buildings. With a commitment to reducing carbon emissions and energy usage, we offer comprehensive building systems designed for superior energy efficiency, durability, and environmental performance. Our strategy allows us to pay close attention to the building envelope and limit thermal breaks. We are able to make smart design decisions to use the mass of the building for thermal activation and use passive house principles to meet and exceed passive house targets. Integrating our solar expertise, our structures can easily become net zero and potentially go off-grid with battery solutions. While other building methods consider energy efficiency as an additional cost, all of this comes inherent to our building methods and can be achieved for the same cost, if not less, than the average building. So how much more energy efficient are Kiwi Newton buildings? In the NEMA Trails case study, we had RDH Building Science prepare a comprehensive whole building energy model comparison report. The report found that the NEMA Trails condo building is approximately 60% more energy efficient and produces less than 10% of the greenhouse gas emissions compared to a typical low-rise condo building. And this is without the on-site electricity generation from the solar panels. This simply reflects the energy efficiency of the building. Now, our solar capabilities and experience plays a key role in how we can take our structures from energy efficient to net zero. To date, we have installed over 30 megawatts of solar systems for industrial, commercial, and residential projects. We specialize in solar simulations, mounting systems, electrical design, and ensuring connection feasibility with local authorities. Additionally, when considering solar installations for existing buildings, our in-house engineers can perform structural assessments on the existing roof to determine if it can handle a solar array. A critical part of our mission is providing high-quality, affordable, and sustainable construction at scale. To ensure that we tackle the construction productivity challenge, we have developed our own modular solutions for a variety of different project types. These solutions are the culmination of lessons learned and best practices in construction and manufacturing. Now, we don't just manufacture these modular systems and sell them to other general contractors. See, a true modular system is a project delivery methodology that leverages standardization in planning, design, manufacturing, and construction. This embodies our strategy of thinking like an automotive company. And this strategy allows us to achieve the economies of scale that the automotive and manufacturing industries have achieved. The first system is our Kiwi precast system. The system uses prefabricated concrete building elements for exterior structural walls, interior structural walls, integrated floor panels, stairs, and even foundations. We try to integrate as much as we can into each element in the manufacturing facility, resulting in cost efficiency, energy efficiency, durability, and adaptability. For example, the exterior wall serves as the building envelope, encompassing functions such as air barrier, moisture barrier, and rain screen and cladding. Continuous external insulation and thermally broken facade clips, along with windows and patio doors, are installed in the factory. Electrical conduit is embedded into the concrete as well. Notably, With the insulation on the exterior, the interior side of the wall features a smooth, form-finished concrete, which can easily be painted. This eliminates the need for drywall or interior framing or vapor barrier. As a result, this single wall element serves a structural, architectural, electrical, and building envelope function. With this system, we can reduce construction costs, reduce building operation costs, construct buildings that use 60% less energy, benefit from modular construction while also having design flexibility, achieve net zero on passive house, and construct buildings with 100+ year lifespan. Since the Kiwi precast system is a panelized version of modular construction, it remains very flexible and can be used for a variety of building types. It can be used for affordable housing, multi-unit residential, commercial and office buildings, schools and universities, student residences, hotels, hospital patient wings, heavy and light industrial buildings, storage buildings, data centers, and more. Being applicable for many project types also gives us the confidence to further invest in automation and robotics to increase productivity and reduce manufacturing costs, since we are hedged against dips in demands for individual project types. The Kiwi car park system is a prefabricated method for building above-grade parking structures using hot-dipped galvanized steel and ultra-high performance precast concrete. With this system, we reduce maintenance costs by 90% by not needing the epoxy topping. We reduce construction costs. We reduce CO2 impacts. We streamline construction schedules. We increase user safety, and we fit more cars in a given footprint. We have built many structures in North America using this system and have several more that we're working on. This system has been the way to build car parks in Europe for over 40 years. Similar to the Kiwi car park system, the Kiwi bridge system is comprised of precast concrete deck plates and galvanized steel beams. This system is perfect for pedestrian bridges, road bridges, and culverts. Then we also have the Kiwi hybrid approach. This flexible method integrates prefabricated components such as precast concrete and steel elements with traditional on-site construction techniques. The result is a faster project delivery while still accommodating complex design requirements. Now, a true modular system is not just the modular components. It requires a project delivery methodology that leverages standardization in planning, design, manufacturing, and construction. Our approach brings everyone to the table, including the owner and their stakeholders, to make sure the decisions being made are optimal for the project. With the Kiwi approach, you benefit from a pre-assembled team that knows each other's efficiencies, all managed by Kiwi Newton. Compared to a design bid build project delivery, the Kiwi approach is significantly faster, results in better decision making, reduces finger pointing, and reduces cost overruns. This approach closely resembles a design build project model, which is where Kiwi Newton really excels. We have become design build experts for parking structures, residential, industrial, commercial, and institutional projects, as well as solar systems. We have the experience to confidently handle projects of all types and apply our mission strategy to make these projects high quality, affordable, and sustainable. Kiwi Newton's automation and prefabrication capabilities are key to the success of our mission. Our advanced steel fabrication and precast concrete manufacturing processes are seamlessly integrated, ensuring precise alignment and efficient construction. They play a key part in our vertical integration strategy, streamlining operations by bringing critical component manufacturing in-house, reducing dependencies, and ensuring precision and consistency across all projects. This synergy enhances the durability, quality and speed of our projects, delivering superior results from start to finish. We manufacture our systems in Guelph, Ontario, in our 50,000 square foot steel shop and our 75,000 square foot precast shop. In this space, we can produce up to 1.25 million square feet of residential projects each year. This is due to our continued investments into prefabrication, automation, and robotics. We are increasing our construction productivity while also increasing quality and safety. Because at Kiwi Newton, the health and safety of our employees, partners, and clients is our top priority. We are dedicated to fostering a culture of safety, ensuring every task is completed in the safest manner. As a core certified company, we meet the highest industry standard and continuously strive to improve our safety practices. Kiwi Newton's modular and prefabricated construction methods prioritize safety by moving much of the work to our controlled manufacturing facilities. This reduces on-site risks like working at heights and working in unpredictable weather. In addition to safety, quality assurance is central to everything we do. In our steel fabrication, precast concrete manufacturing, and our construction, we ensure that every component meets the highest standards. With advanced automation, robotics, and building information modeling, we maintain strict control over production, ensuring accuracy and performance. Our continuous monitoring guarantees that all components meet industry-leading standards for safety and reliability. At Kiwi Newton, our company is built on values that drive innovation, accountability, and collaboration. These core pillars reflect the qualities we seek in our team to define our culture and represent the team you'll get when you work with Kiwi Newton. Thank you for taking some time to be introduced to Kiwi Newton. If you would like to learn more, please visit our website at www.kiwinewton.com. If you would like to discuss a project, please start with the inquiry form at www.kiwinewton.com/contact.